The Ambassador Auditorium was opened in 1974 by the Worldwide Church of God to hold church services and functions. It also hosted 20 seasons of concerts with some of the world's most accomplished musicians and performers, including Pavarotti, Placido Domingo, Frank Sinatra, and many more until 1995 when the church closed. The auditorium is now owned by Che Ann's H-Rock Church of Pasadena, but there are some amazing mansions on the property, including the Merritt Mansion. It was built in 1905 by Hewlett C. Merritt, who was a multimillionaire for over $1 million. In 1902, prominent businessman Otho S.A. Sprague, who owned grocery stores, constructed a 12,000 square foot Tudor revival home called Mayfair Mansion. It features 10 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms and is one of the best representations of an arts and crafts period house in the area. The Italian-style terrace villa mansion was built in 1924 by retired Judge Stillman B. Jameson. For many years, Ambassador College owned and used the mansions. The property changed hands many times and underwent several renovations and restorations. The buildings were used as college buildings from 1946 to 1990 for the Worldwide Church of God's Ambassador College campus until it closed. Built even earlier in 1885 are the remains of the Moorish-style Claypool Flower Mansion and Fowler Gardens. All that's left is the garden's pavilion and fountains. The original building was used as a library for Ambassador College but was razed in 2012. The gardens surrounding the Ambassador Auditorium and the mansions are open to the public and can be entered from Green Street off St. John Avenue. There are lovely places to walk, meditate, and observe the greenery, and it's a short walk to Old Town Pasadena. The koi pond is a wonderful place to sit and watch its large collection of fish and birds. It has a wonderful Zen atmosphere and is relaxing and serene. Streams run down the hill into the pond, and it's surrounded by lush vegetation. You'll never want to leave. If you walk up the steps above the pond, you can see some of the new and old apartments and townhomes there. When Ambassador College closed, developers came in and built luxury residences surrounding the auditorium and next to Millionaire's Row off Orange Grove Boulevard. On the Great Lawn, you can't miss this enormous Morton Bay fig tree that stretches in all directions. It's pretty impressive and wonderful to sit under. You'll also see beautiful deodar cedars, heritage oak trees, cypress, and other magnificent trees. This is truly a hidden and secret garden and green space in Pasadena that you'll love to visit.